Hello everyone, Google just released Gemini 3 and let me tell you, this is amazing. It's setting new benchmark records, it's more capable than any Google model so far, and it might be the most advanced AI you can access right now. So today I'm going to walk you through what Gemini 3 Pro is actually good at, where Google focus its improvement, and how this model is about to power a whole new set of features and products across Google's ecosystem. Google also launched a brand new agentic coding platform called Anti-Gravity alongside this release. Let's get into it. I'm Vida and welcome to TekTuk Time. Gemini has been multimodal from day one. It could read, see, listen, and generate across different formats. Gemini 2 brought serious reasoning and agent behavior, and now Gemini 3 pushes all of that even further. It's Google's most powerful model yet, especially for multimodality and problem solving. And starting today, it's rolling out everywhere. One of the wildest things Gemini 3 does, it's deep multimodal reasoning. Most people don't realize you can actually give a PDF file and it doesn't just summarize it. It actually understands every layer inside that document. It looks at diagrams, read embedded text, extract structure, and then build something from it. You see in this demo where it scans a paper, identifies the key concepts, creates an educational app with layout, adds 3D visualize, and present the whole thing like a complete learning tool, all without you describing anything. No other model is doing end-to-end read, understand, design, and build at this level. This isn't just multimodal, it's design sense, reasoning, and coding in one shot. And then it gets more interesting. Gemini 3 can also analyze entire videos, not just frames. Because the context video is massive, it can look at your posture, timing, form, technique, and give coaching level feedback. You see the example, Gemini breaks down stance, footwork, paddle angle, reaction time, follow through, micro errors most people wouldn't even notice. This is biomechanical analysis from one short clip, which means pickleball, tennis, basketball, even public speaking, any skill with movement or expression becomes coachable. This is great, and this is real AI trainer. Now, let's talk about converting image to interactive app. Actually, one of my favorite pieces. It converts images into real working apps. You see example, Gemini looks at a messy sketch of a UI and instantly converts it into clean CSS, not a mock-up, a running website. It can identify headers, detect buttons, respect proportions, build functionality, and output runnable code. Same for the chessboard demo. One static photo, and then you can get a full playable game. That's very interesting. This is the most advanced visual to code pipeline I've ever seen until now. One picture, and then you get end-to-end product. Now let's talk about what this means for search. Google's new AI mode transforms search into something that looks more like an assistant than a result page. Instead of a list of links, Gemini 3 interprets your question, breaks it into subtopics, searches multiple sources at once, pulls real-time data, synthesizes the answer, and lets you refine the conversation. So it's a search, reasoning, plus creation in one place. So this is going to change how people use Google every single day. And that's amazing. Now let's talk about agentic features. Google is also beginning to roll out agent capabilities. This is where Gemini moves from assistant to digital worker. You will see the example of Gemini inside Gmail. It can read your entire inbox, detect important tasks, categorize messages, respond, plan actions, and perform multi-step workflows without needing step-by-step instructions. Think of it as your inbox handled like a human personal assistant would handle it. This is the first time Google is showing real autonomy inside everyday apps. Next, let's talk about coding. Gemini 3 is now leading major coding benchmarks across LiveBench Pro, TerminalBench, and real GitHub bots. Gemini is either number 1 or extremely close. It solves the algorithmic challenges, it behaves like a real developer in a terminal, it can fix real-world code bases, and it handles large contexts, up to 1 million tokens. This combination makes it one of the most powerful developer models out there right now. This model suppresses Gemini 2.5 Pro on every major benchmark, in some cases by a huge margin. So let's look at a few important ones. In LM Arena, Gemini 3 Pro is the first model to break 1500 ELO, outperforming Gemini 2.5 Pro by 50 points. And the only thing between these two are Grok 4.1 model. In humanities last exam, another benchmark, Gemini 3 hits 37.5%, showing improvement in deep comprehension and multi-step logic. In also GPQA Diamond, this benchmark basically tests PhD level reasoning and domain expertise. Gemini 3 shows substantial job. TerminalBench 2 also measures real AI developer behavior in a terminal, and Gemini 3 outperforms everything, including its own previous generation. So Gemini 3 Pro is a huge leap, both as a model and as an ecosystem shift. Better reasoning, higher benchmark scores, agentic behavior, stronger coding, real multimodal execution, and integration across Google Apps. This is a preview release, and like with previous generation, we'll likely see multiple updates before general availability. And let me know in the comments, where do you see Gemini 3 fitting into your work? APIs, apps, or agents? If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.